ladies and gentlemen, welcome to day number 23 of the September Madness Automation Challenge, and today I'm going to go over how to use Calendly in Make.com and Blender, right? Because you guys see me use Google Calendar a lot, but a lot of businesses, especially young ones, use Calendly to like set up meetings. So let me show you how I do all my things that do with Google Calendars with Calendly, alright? So in this one, I'm going to show you how to use like get the busy times in your calendar and to set a meeting, right? But using Calendly. The same things that uses Google Calendar, but like a lot of businesses use Calendly. So I'll show you how to do it in Calendly, alright? So this phone call is going to be a booking phone call structure, alright? So hello, welcome to the shop. How may I help you? Using what to book. Sounds amazing. How many guests do you bring in? The user responds, how many guests? And here we get to the cool part, right? User asks the preferred time for their booking, right? And their name. Then you're going to say you got to check their time, okay? So they're going to say their time, and then we're going to go into this webhook, alright? Now this is going to check make sure the time that's given does not clash with any of the busy times in the calendar, alright? So you might ask, how do I do that in Calendly, alright? Because I've showed you guys how to do it in Google Calendars, alright? It has its own like module, but this time I'm going to try to do it in Calendly, alright? So this is going to be here. The busy times is going to send from our backend. So let me show you that. Here's how to get busy times in Calendly, alright? It's very much more simple than Google Calendar, alright? You can see like, so there's only 3 modules. So it's going to get pinged by the webhook. So this is it's not a post call automation, it's a during call automation. So as soon as the phone call starts and it gets to that module, this will activate, gets all the busy times in my calendar, brings them all together in tag aggregation, gives it a name and sends it back. Right, let me show you how this looks. This is a run from earlier, right? So it's going to ping this and then it's going to go get all the busy times. A lot of information, alright? So we're going to pass out what we need, which is just the event start time and the event end time, okay? Give it a name and just send it back, okay? So this is exactly the stuff that our caller has access to during the call. And they're going to make sure that each of these times does not clash with the time the user calls, alright? So 9 tomorrow morning until 9:20 tomorrow morning, alright? So let's say they give a time and it clashes, alright? So it's going to go up here and go to this module saying, oh, sorry, there's a clash in the time, and it's going to suggest another time and near it, alright? And they say, yeah, sure. Proceed with the conversation, right? And if not, go back up here and proceed another time, maybe another preferred time, okay? And then yeah, it's gonna go, let's just say they do a lot of talking and they got a time and doesn't clash. It's gonna go down here after the email address, because that's how we're gonna send the Calendly link, all right? And they say, yeah, cool, thanks for talking, right? So let's go over the post call automation where we're gonna be sending them the Calendly event. Phone call ends, everything gets sent here, classic setup like normal, get the concatenated transcript, that's what we want, look all of that. And then we're going to pass out the email address. That's what we need. That's what I said in our call. I'll show you at the very end of the video, right? The call. Give it a name, but this is not just giving it a name. This is actually formatting it correctly, because in the they might say like at, and it does in the at ampersand, it'll just return 80, alright? So if we'll format it correctly, alright? So to this, you can give it a name, and then we're going to create a scheduling link, just one, and the 20-minute chat, and then we're going to send them an email like this. Okay, classic nice HTML. To this email we passed out from the transcript, and yeah, automatically done as soon as the call ends. Let me show you how the email looks. Right, could look a little bit better, but the HTML did its job, alright, look quite nice. I click this, and it opens up my Calendly, alright, so everything's set up, everything's nice, okay, so hope you enjoyed. I'll show you the call, and I'll see you on day 24.
Hello and welcome to Tingle Pingle Wingle's Shop for Singles. How may I help you?
I'd like to make a booking.
That sounds amazing. How many guests will be joining you?
2.
Now, could you please tell me your preferred time for this booking? And may I also have your name, please?
My name is Sam, and I would like the booking to be 9:30 tomorrow.
Let me just check our calendar real quick. I apologize, but it seems that we have a clash at 9 o'clock tomorrow. We have an event scheduled from 9 o'clock to 9:20. Would you be available at 9:30 tomorrow instead?
Yep.
Sam, I just need to confirm a few more details. Could you please provide me with your email address so I can send you a confirmation of your booking?
Sam@outlook.com.
Just to confirm, Sam, you said your email address is sam@outlook.com. Is that correct?
Yep.
Thank you for calling Tingle Pingle Wingle's Shop for Singles. Have a nice day, and we'll confirm your time shortly.